Does your laptop feel like it's about to take off like a jet engine? Overheating is one of the most common problems that can slowly kill your laptop. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you why it happens, the risks, and most importantly, how to prevent it. Why laptops overheat. Laptops are compact machines packed with powerful components in a tiny space. When you're gaming, editing videos, or even running too many apps at once, the CPU and GPU generate heat. If the cooling system can't handle it, your laptop starts overheating. The dangers of overheating. Overheating isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. It can cause sudden shutdowns, battery damage, slower performance, and in the long run, permanent hardware failure. Basically, ignoring overheating is like slowly burning money. How to prevent laptop overheating. Here are some simple but effective solutions. 1. Use a cooling pad, this helps with extra airflow. 2. Keep your laptop on a hard surface, avoid beds, blankets, or couches. 3. Clean the fans regularly, dust buildup is the #1 overheating culprit. 4. Limit background apps, free your CPU from unnecessary stress. 5. Avoid direct sunlight and hot rooms, keep your laptop in a cool environment. 6. Update BIOS and drivers, sometimes overheating is caused by outdated software controls. Taking a few minutes to apply these tips can extend your laptop's life by years and keep it running smoothly. Don't wait until it's too late, keep your laptop cool and safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with someone whose laptop sounds like an airplane right now.